Today I'm ranking what I believe to be the top 5 best car shampoo for the most demanding car detailers. And this is not just about slickness and foam anymore. This year I went deep, I did my research on the SDS, I calculated the cost per wash, look at the slickness, look at the fragrance, the cleaning power, and how each of them can unclog a ceramic coating. I even measured the pH myself and researched the quality of the ingredients. And what I found didn't just confirm a few of my favorites, but it completely changed how I look at the best car shampoo. So let's break down the truth for the top 5 best car shampoo for car detailing enthusiasts. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and I have links for every products and tools used and mentioned during this video. You can use the coupon code Dogma and that's the best way to support this channel. So why the SDS sheets matters? It's pretty simple. Brands are required to provide the SDS, the safety data sheets, for every single product they produce. And if you know how to read them, you can find the ingredients, the percentage, the pH level, is there any solvents, is there any harsh chemicals, and so on, all right? And if your favorite soap did not make it in my top 5 today, it's probably because the brand is hiding the SDS or the SDS is using vague terms. It doesn't mean that their soap is safer, it just means that they are hiding the real formulation. So let's start with Armor Detail Supply Shampoo Plus. On paper, easily the strongest cleaner here because it uses a natural solvent, D-limonene. This is a citrus-based natural solvent. Pretty rare to find this ingredient in hand wash or premium car soaps. So my guess is they are using that solvent to deep clean your ceramic coating for maintenance. And I've also found some industrial type of ionic surfactant. Overall, my personal experience with Armor Detail Supply Shampoo Plus, it's a very, very good soap. I love this one. I've almost went through the whole 16-ounce bottle. I find that it lacks a bit of that cleaning power, although the ingredients are saying the contrary. But when it comes to my winter dirt, I found that I have to go maybe once or twice in the same area to get the area completely clean and to bring back the water beading. Other than that, this one has the best fragrance of today's lineup. It has some type of Kool-Aid fragrance. The viscosity is super thin. This is excellent. Easy to dilute. Let's take a look at the pH measurement. Armor Detail Supply Shampoo Plus. And I feel like this one needs a little bit more than you need normally with CarPro Reset or Gyeon Bathe. So I would use this one at 1 to 300, pretty much like NV Snow. So this one has a great fragrance. Wow. So Armor Detail Supply 300 to 1. Measure pH. Pretty much on par with pH neutral and all the others. Next up, I had no problem when it comes to rinsing this product. It rinses free. And when it comes to the cost per wash, ADS is probably one of the most expensive. If you get the 16-ounce bottle in Canadian dollars, you're at 3.25 cost per wash. And if you reach for the gallon, you're dropping down at $1.42 per wash, which is quite reasonable. So for this one, I highly recommend that you grab the gallon size. Overall, I think this is a solid choice. It does not have the cosmetic type of ingredients that we'll find in CarPro Reset. So more on that later, but this is still high up in my ranking. I love using Shampoo Plus by Armor Detail Supply. Guys, in no particular order, next up is CarPro Reset. In the last video, the top 25 most sold products, I've had so many comments. Frank, CarPro Reset is a pure legion. It should be in the S tier. Frank this, Frank that. Da, 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 da. Yes, I said that CarPro Reset has been surpassed. I did not have the chance. I did not take the time to really explain that point. That video was made to be somewhat fast-paced. And as far as CarPro Reset, for me on paper, it's the best and I completely agree. I did my research. I knew already that CarPro Reset use cosmetic grade type of surfactant. It's a super clean formula. There's no dye in this one. The viscosity is super thin. The fragrance is amazing. It cleans really well the paint. Even the cost per wash is actually very good for what it is. And as far as my research in the SDS, it all checks up as the best formula or using the most high quality ingredients. This one has natural glucosides and high purity coconut sulfates. No solvents, no dyes, no sodium hydroxide, no fillers.
All right, over here we have CarPro Reset in its pure form, and you can see the pH, it's still under 9 at around 8.5.
So if you've seen my last video on the pre-washers, you know that this pH meter is calibrated, so there's no issue with this. This is accurate.
So when the smiley appears, it means that it's stable enough. So we're slightly under 8. So let's round this up at pH 8 at the recommended dilution.
CarPro Reset, yes, on paper it's the best, but does it feel the best under the wash mitt and during the washing experience? Let's take a look. All right guys, so I have my buckets here. Let's do a full mitt with full water. This is CarPro Reset, and this is Envy, okay? This has been pre-washed and rinsed, and the surface is ceramic coated. This feels good, this cleans good, we already know. Ingredients are top notch, nothing to complain about. Let's reserve that flip side for the next phase. I'm gonna remove the dirt for whatever is left, but just right here, it's slicker. This is what I'm going to, this is what I've been saying. I know CarPro Reset is amazing. This one just feels way smoother. These things we cannot always explain, but it is what it is. So both mitts have been flipped, both sections are cleaned. You can just tell, I mean, they're both great, but I can tell a difference with Envy Snow. It's just more slippery. But as far as the user experience, with both soaps doing pretty much the same results, for me this is A tier and this is S tier. This is extraordinary and this is excellent. So there's my difference, and this is what I've been trying to explain and transfer to you. And from here you do whatever you want. So yes, CarPro Reset is super high quality. It feels great, it smells good, it cleans well, no problem here. I just feel that under the wash mitt, it's not the slickest, it's not the smoothest, and I feel like they should add more lubricity to it. Yes, you can always increase the concentration, but that's besides the point. There's at least 2 more soaps in here that I prefer to use other than CarPro Reset. And when it comes to the cleaning power, cleaning your ceramic coating, all these soaps here have proven in this video that are able to unclog ceramic coating in my harsh winter conditions, all right? Alrighty guys, so here we have our dirty car. We have CarPro Reset in the red, and the gray bucket is Envy Car Care Snow. So we're gonna do a little test on this ceramic coated car. So I have some CarPro Reset in this bottle, Envy Car Care Snow in this one. So it's been around a minute, let's give it a rinse. You can still see those lines. They both look really, really good actually. As you can see, from here it's clogged with dirt, salt, and that sticky film from the winter grimer. From here we're gonna use 2 same wash mitt. They are the exact same, from the same place, same everything, all right? You can see there's dirt in there. Come up on the side. So from here, they both decontaminate and rejuvenate the ceramic coating with great success, with the real dirt, nasty stuff from Quebec. So all right, next up, the luxury boutique style car shampoo. Guys, I've said this before, this is my favorite, my #1 car shampoo. And I still stand by it after all this work, all this research, all these comparisons. Might not be as readily available, but like I said, I'll have links down below if you want to check it out. But as far as the fragrance, this is not the best fragrance here. It smells a bit like Adam's car shampoo. Alrighty, we have Envy Snow. We have the dilution for this one is 300 to 1. And right here have 10 mLs.
So with the provided dilution, 300 to 1, we're getting a pH 8.
It uses premium non-ionic surfactant instead of harsh degreaser or harsh detergents. It has a luxurious, smooth feel under the wash mitt that no other soaps in this lineup has. The SDS back it up as well. The only thing that you have to keep in mind, and I was actually really surprised with this one, this is one of the first time that I see this. This one has 2 to 5% of glycol ether solvent. This is normally found in APCs and degreaser. It doesn't make it unsafe, but it's a good thing to keep in mind, and it feels insanely slick. It's probably why this small amount of solvent can dissolve the film as you drag your wash mitt across the paint. That might be why, I'm not sure, but like I said before, this one is the slickest. Next, boutique product means higher price, all right? NV Snow dilution rate is 1 to 300, and it's only available in 500 ml and 1 liter bottle at carzilla.ca. There's no gallon size yet. If you grab the 500 ml, the cost per wash is $2.93. If you grab the 1 liter bottle, your cost per wash drops to $2.13. So overall, great quality of product. Viscosity is super thin. The fragrance is good, not overpowered. Now let's check out the cleaning power comparison for Gyeon Bathe versus Adam's Car Shampoo on a clogged ceramic coating.
All right, guys, on the left, we have Gyeon Bathe, and on the right, we have Adam's Car Shampoo, same wash mitt, and following the brand's recommendation when it comes to the dilution rate. So over here, beating water, and then here is clog, right? So let's start with Gyeon Bathe. Now let's do Adam's. So let's give it a rinse. And in the middle, we haven't touched it. So I have pre-washed this before and pressure rinse, but as you can see, both products are able to revive your coating. They're able to remove nasty road film from winter Quebec driving.
So Gyeon Bathe was super high up in my ranking. This is ultra slick. In my opinion, in my experience, this is number 2 in terms of slickness or feel under the wash mitt. The fragrance is okay, I like it. It smells fresh and clean. It's nothing out of this world. The viscosity, as you can see, is super thin. Dilution rate is 500 to 1, just like CarPro Reset. So it's quite cost effective. It checks out at the pH neutral.
All right, so new bucket here with brand new water, tap water. We have Gyeon Bathe. Pour it in there. Make sure it's well mixed up before measuring the pH. So Gyeon Bathe, pretty much the same pH, around 7.8, 7.9.
No problem with the rinsing, so it rinses free. As far as the cost per wash, guys, the small format, the small bottle, $2.10 per wash. If you grab the 4 liter, it drops down to 99 cents per wash using 40 ml of car soap. Pretty much my number 2 soap, Gyeon Bathe. It's excellent. The washing experience is out of this world. So as far as my finding during my research, Gyeon Bathe is pretty interesting. Its core cleaning ingredients is SLES, the same high foaming surfactant that you find in most dish soaps. That doesn't make it a dish soap because it has other surfactant, other ionic surfactant that are high quality, but rather makes a high foaming, rich experience with a strong detergent style of car soap. And by the way, SLES is a milder version of SLS, which gets a bad rap, but this is a little bit overblown. So keep that in mind. Do your research, guys. Look it up. But for me, I have no problem using Gyeon Bathe because it has SLES. Many car soap uses that surfactant. I kind of forgot to talk about the foaming action, but all of these soaps are foaming great in your foam cannon. They foam great in your bucket. The foam is long lasting. It feels like a wet foam. They're all great foaming car soaps. Next up is Adam's car shampoo. This one is kind of legendary. It won my first best car soap video as far as the slickness is concerned, and I still love using it. I just not a big fan of the viscosity. It's super thick, hard to dilute. You gotta make sure that you shake it well in your bucket. You can use warm water to help it out. It's also built with SLES and some betaine, so it's a great experience when it comes to car washing. It's pH neutral. Some people are claiming that it does not rinse free, but for me personally, I have never had any issue using Adam's car shampoo. So for Adam's car shampoo, if you reach for the 16 ounce, you're looking at $1.88 per wash. And if you get the gallon size, you're looking at 92 cents cost per wash. So pretty much half price. Adam's has a nice blueberry scent as well. So it has a dye. It's thickened to give the premium style of shampoo, which I completely disagree with. And the cleaning power was great. Not the highest quality ingredients, but good enough, great soap. I love using Adam's car soap. It's not my favorite, but it did very well in the slickness comparisons. Overall, as far as the price is concerned, I'll put the chart on the screen for you guys. You can pause the video, but CarPro Reset and Adam's are the cheapest if you get the small bottle. And if you get the 4 liter or the gallon size, it'll be between Gyeon Bathe and Adam's. But for cleaning power, user experience, slickness, for me, these are my two favorite, Gyeon Bathe and Envy Snow. And with that said, if you want to know my favorite of all time for each category, watch this video right here.